Hey everybody, how's it going today? I'm going to be covering how to remove a filter and how to remove null values from inside the Tableau software. Starting with how to remove a filter from Tableau, there are a variety of ways to remove a filter. So say that you have longitude and latitude in your columns and rows, and you're trying to see all the states involved in the data, so you put the states in under the detail mark. Then I will have the filter based on the certain department available in that state. So I will slide that to the filter and select which ones you want to see. In this case, I will do the sales department and click OK. Then you will see what states in the sales department is in. You will also see you have a filter in this column labeled Department Sales. Now on the first way to remove the filter, you can simply hover your mouse over the filter and you selected, which in this case would be the Department Sales, and click the little arrow that pops up to the right. When you see your list of options, you will see a Remove button on the very bottom, and you want to click that to remove the filter. That was the first way to remove a filter. If I add the department filter back and click on Sales again, and then OK, the filter is listed here again. Another way you can remove it is by holding the click button on your finger and dragging it over where you picked it up from, and it will remove it. Moving on how to remove null values within Tableau, which also comes with several different options. Here we have the sum of these employees for their Q12. We want to have it based on their zip, so I will slide the zip over to the filters. This comes with the first way to remove null values within the filter. There will be a list of several different zip codes, and then you will see the null at the very top of that list. To not include this value, you can click on the all and then unselect null, or you could simply pick out the certain zip codes that you want and see within the data and make sure to not click on the null. This will ensure that there are no null values within the data. Another way to remove null values starts with from when you have already selected your filter, including all values, and then you want to later change it to not include the null values. So if I drag the filter back and select all, then click OK, I will have all my values. Then to remove the null values, you want to hover your mouse over the filter that you include, which in this case is zip, and click the arrow that is pointing down. You will then see a list of options, and you want to select Edit Filter, which will bring you back to the first way of choosing to select which numbers you want to include. Then selecting Null to remove it, and clicking OK. One of the last ways to make sure the null values are not included is by excluding the null value when selecting from the list of values you want to filter. So adding the filter back and bringing up to the screen, you can select the null value and then select Exclude. And this will make sure that the null value is completely excluded from the data. And this pretty much all sums up how to remove filters and null values from within Tableau. Thanks for watching.